Be consistent. It is instantly to be regular with your yoga practice. Making it a part of your daily schedule will help turn it into a habit. Christian Burma, a senior 20 minutes of daily yoga practice is more likely to show positive results sooner than 2 hours of optional practice. Make yoga time as family fun when you practice alone. It might get boring after a while, or you may simply become lazy. Try doing yoga with your family or friends and let it be a perfect excuse for a family get together. So, like my yoga and video, so subscribe